Hello everyone, welcome back, and today we have the Govee G1 Pro Gaming Light Kit. This is specially made for gamers as it comes with 4 games mode built in for you to experience epic gameplay. Nevertheless, still you can add some vibes to your gaming room or cinema room with this light kit. With this video we will be taking a look at how to set up and some key features of this great product. This G1 Pro comes with RGBIC technology and support both Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant. So you can remotely control this light system, changing the colors and patterns as you go. If you fancy getting one, please check the product link in the description down below. Well, without further ado, let's get started. You get this nice retail package with printed details about the product, including the picture and some key features printed on the box for quick reference. In terms of the unboxing, you do get the camera module, 2 light bars, an instruction guide with some paperwork, a neon light strip, foam stickers, 2 positioning cards, cleaning wipes, 3.5mm audio cable, power adapter, and last cable and mounting clips. Light bars looks like metal finish, but they are made out of plastic material and have a matte black finish. Curve edge front, you can see the white diffuser and the backlit G logo all the way down. Underneath the light bar, it has a rubber layer for better surface grip, and both light bars are connected to Type-C and for power. Speaking about the neon light strip, it comes with the Type-C in for power and has a quadrant design and is made out of translucent material to improve the soft lighting area. Furthermore, this time Govee introduced a new camera module with a 1080p HD camera built in. This will help to capture the colors on the screen and allows the light system to display the colors accordingly. This can easily mount the top of the screen, however this camera works as a hub. You can see the connection ports for the light bars, neon light, 3.5mm audio connector, and last the power in with the same camera module. Furthermore, you can see the touch control buttons on the top and you can manually control the power. Moving on to the setting up prior to the installation, I double checked both light bars and the light strip works fine connecting all together. I'm using my Samsung M7 Smart monitor that has a smooth back. After cleaning the surface, you can use provided template. Make sure to pick the one suits for your monitor as you get 2 different templates inside the box. Then you can stick the mounting clip and carefully install the light strip back of the screen. Next, take the camera module and stick it into the middle of the monitor and connect the cables including the power supply. For the Smart App control, you need the Govee Home Smart App, which is available in both iOS and Android app stores. Once you download the app, simply follow the on-screen instruction for the pairing process. You need to enable Bluetooth from your smartphone to sync the gaming light. Once you successfully connected the light kit, you can customize the name you want and sync the positioning of the light bars and the light strip. Furthermore, you will be able to connect with your Wi-Fi for remote access. The next step is to calibrate the camera with the screen. For this, you need to use those provided orange foam pads. This process is similar to the Govee Flow Pro Light Kit, which we reviewed earlier in our channel. You can simply stick those orange pads in all corners and edges of the screen and follow the on-screen instruction for color calibration. Let's find out what you can do with the Smart App. Well, like all other Govee Smart Light products, you can fully customize the colors you want to display by controlling the brightness and applying the modes. With the Effect Lab, you can try and apply a lot of different colors under the different categories. Frankly, you do get the chance to play with so many different color combinations. Moving on, if you wish to use this gaming light kit as a timer or as a sleep wake up light, yes, still you can use this feature like all other Govee products I have tested previously. The next one is the logo effect. With this, you can simply change the color of the G logo. You can assign your preferred color from the color wheel and adjust the brightness level or leave it on the auto mode, which will sync with the same color as the light bar. In terms of the lighting effect, you get 5 different modes available to use with this Smart App. The first one is the music mode. When you choose this mode, this gaming light kit will change the color according to the sound rhythm. With the music mode, you get 8 different styles available to try. Also, you can adjust the light sensitivity straight from the app. The next one is the video mode option. With this, you can change the color automatically according to the video. You can adjust the saturation level and control the white balance of the light kit. Furthermore, with this you can choose either game mode, again has 4 different lighting modes, and a movie mode with 4 different lighting modes. You still can sync the light modes with the sound effect under the video mode. Before we move on to the next option, let's quickly have a look at the color sense camera test. The camera is capable of identifying the colors on the screen, and the light bar as well as the light strip color will change accordingly. This is perfect for gaming and watch movies, as this will enhance your gaming and movie experience to the next level. The next one is the color mode. With this you can fully customize the light strip into 14 different parts and light bar into 5 different segments. Thanks to the RGBIC lighting, which is capable of displaying multiple colors simultaneously. You can try different color combination with solid color options or with gradient enabled. Furthermore, you can apply warm white or cold white features if you wish. Then using the color wheel, you can pick the colors you want and save them for future use. Moving on to the scene option, you get nearly 42 different animated multicolor scene effects such as party, leisure, sports and fireworks. Those pre-built effects are very interesting and you can keep changing according to your mood. Well, let's quickly see some of these from the list. And last, with the DIY mode, you can easily customize or create your own effect you want to display and save them for later use. With this, it will allow you to add different effects and adjust the speed, select different colors to your custom design. Moving on to the smart voice control option, you can connect this light kit with Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant. In my case, I managed to sync with my Alexa easily just following the on-screen instructions. You can turn on or off the light or even can change the colors by voice commands. So this is pretty much all the features this gaming light kit has to offer. If you like to add an extra vibes to your desk setup or to your gaming room, this is a perfect way to achieve it within a decent price tag. With the smart app, you get the freedom of choosing your favorite colors, and with the music mode, you can enjoy your favorite tracks with some extra vibes. And last, it is very easy to set up and unlike the freedom of having the DIY design option. Both light bar and the strips are very bright, and thanks to the RGBIC technology, you can bring your vision to life by selecting multiple colors at once for more seamless lighting experience. So with that all being said, feel free to let me know what you think about this gaming light kit in the comment section down below. If you like the content, please hit the like and do consider subscribing to see more videos like this. See you again with another one. Stay safe.